Ye she cry woman say, ye didn't be a back forever. Now, a bad dear, or to be a back forever. People so, I know when yes, I don't go put to a warrior when you can't come, sue for better for worse in this and your manner. Or would you want to bro? No, you must have for the baffle friend. Hey, Bema, I wonder the way your system.
Too much GH. We are shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
For any other phenomenon, Obibia Aquaba, Ede Ebatoma GH, so Epias Kappa, and Dina Gana Wahala Jumidi, and Awani Eguso, our Shena, I was here for any day. Video be Abepiemo, our Yapno, Eswa video, Nuno, Mammy and Jean, Ede Mrs. Blessing. Anthony Oko Ipo out in another wow bumbe ya and I say Nipano Bia free Nigeria Abia State and anano ada ya mami chese nyukuna wone no etienne ho kanya ne din Mr. Anthony Oko Ipo a chese wone na atena for 17 good years omuwa ememu and 94 achese papa yi ahwe nyame anim ahwe bonsamatiko asanso aye na adwen se wone ye ne dwuma ye ni aba kwakwa akohihye eye awade na awade ne ekoso no ene abaye ya na se ye maami yi eba ye no bebepie mo okuta eye evidence chese ampa woni Mr. Anthony Aware awomo ewo eye enkwada na ebushafo si no de efekeke na ensem no dodo na nchemu ewo na man go show video ni bra ye ba ye beto aso.
Yes, this is my, I waited for 17 years ago. This is my church wedding. So February 14th, 2014, this is my wedding picture. This is my family picture. I have 4 children, 3 boys and 1 girl. Then somebody wants to come and read. They're watching you.
This should be here.
Journalists are watching you.
This should not go
no, they want to have cancelled. They're watching people. This is my children. This is my traditional wedding. 2003, 17 years ago. Yes, journalists. I'm showing you people this thing to make it virus. Make it virus. Make it let it go virus. They will not reply anymore so. They will not reply anymore so. Yes, they will not reply. That girl is a thief. She's a criminal. I know her that she's dating my husband. For years, people who date married man, they will go and go and marry their own husband. Then she dead. She wants to come and marry my husband. It will not happen.
Na ebusian for say we dey wa hunu bi na me wo mini aba ma de nyina Miss Musical wa hanu say ya me ne no ebe pense ensem ni mo sanse more information no na kachi awode ebe som ahwefo ene etiefo oba mesi mu akwa sikapa mejo so bibi aboko de nyame adum nti bibi aifa ye de Christmas na oba mesi o hwe maami ana ye papa Mr. Anthony ne ya woda na die se woni oba tena for 17 good years na woni no sa ewon kwada nye se bia nkwada anim no akasa kwa ya mami me ne na tena wonwo enti me kopo ba fofra obeba babewo ede amame obi nim the decision na se die enti e ma na ye na so wo kwakwa ware fofro ede na so no obi atena for 17 good years. Eden na bema oba wone ne tie for so many years no betimi afunu to the extent say obeye na so okwakwa kware a won bo abaya no anase ne yire no amane you be na basika me da wase ewo akonye ya wodi amane na first of all menam akonye isu echia too much etie foni ahwefo na say da mo di pressure nya me ensure bibia na sikapa aware won sem de emu doso emu doso umbre emu ya ukombi asema wanhwe ya won ka ni die yesi ni oni ni jan eno ni sene ya ehihye no esifa na ya hwe in this aspect aware bi wo wa eye omkom bie na se won ware wie a ya na emba ni bebre ti mi je mistake because omo ni so mo oni be ma no nya ye mo ho ade bi na ye misses enti at times you want bebre to chima ewo eye mami ba no ho ebi mu efa eyet say wo dressing the way you keep you wo no ebi mu relax wo sanyo me de bia me ka say aware mu be ma pad hwe okay what is sanyo mu no obi apehwe enti be ma wo ho a opese we dynamic okay one person be hu one thing na forever okay emba ni bisu wo kasa nye se wo before na po be ma na chi ma me kan ba no so die first emba ni bi wo kasa otufu wo a ebe hu me say ebe hu me twe emba me po mu ni sa akoma obema weakness ba kwa obema won say emba ntimi kasa bebre won say bema bi wo ba na agede be won say emba na age omo characteristics ni mo no one ntimi noise bebre one ntimi kasa bebre enti say ko ba say de bi oba ni noise won na so bebre na just say ohwehwe was seeking for a place to have peace a pushing from home to the extent say I'm strong and you want na we oba enti baby obenya the peace of mind we dey na voice pushing 50 won say mo a wo kan weekend in say bebre weekend pa enti obaby wa na no kwa na pa mo be man 50 and na bi dia bebe tumi aba so say oba ni nye problem but be man nkasa no oye problem in be man wo perception bi say emba dosu enti say emba dosu ntino eto de bi ana je say mo person mo kire say wo enye mo ko na che say ye wo emba mo dosu nti ye wo option but aya no we feel implications be bra eto aso aya no mo yes selfish emba bebre say so mo yes selfish o esi o philosophy o mo de na mo ne say emba dosu enti say emba do na emba nso ye emba ye ho atamfo enti emba dosu no ntino oba je say mpena twe no ma fa ne normal enti enye say bi wa oba ne e pa oba bi we good oya wo prasini wo dressing oya no obetumi aye bia wo oti oba ye help out for man enti bi wa otimi mu be man future be man kasa ni mu implications are eba mano omutimi ye mba asem sa no makofa yare no mo dia ba na wo mo de yare ni so ba wo oba na wo temo no wo na wo bebre sure na ebi wo won so a in down for some influence omo mo jitu mu so wari bebre na o ma wari bebre sister abrabo na ye principle ye nyame asem na tutu a ufri nyame asem wa won na wrong lane eti eye penu makokoti old testament makokoti eye Solomon now yes judgment en ba yo mo kan judge wo me ba enya ya en ba ma no omo won gina so bi omo gina so Abraham man of faith krampo no o ware sen Jacob krampo no wo ware sen ba ya no mo re fisa abrabo ni wara bo Oma be bo mu die wie wo so wo bo wo die na a man and a woman will leave their family and come together as what one can say one can say man and women so what am I say it's misconception and misquoting and then any influence in Bema influence and yes in body wo concern Bema omo di omo nko papa pokro share sister any person na make because we entity family be break them wo be won say Bema ni wo achi no na omo kunkum omo ho we bru we njia we bru essence of Bema no foundation ni your wrong was set confusion and I to one our deco
na oba Mercy ba ne say sanyoma we so wo be hunu na Bema no wo kware a na secret so wunim say ade no wo ya adenti na ne wo nya ma obi ehunu na se de wo ware wo yire panyi ana se wo yire wo dikan wo ma wo na fofo obi ehunu se wo ware echi invitation card mo bi ade na se eba se wo mu emfa ware ni ma asa pe oba foforo ba be kan na se oba ne enti ase a enu de wo kokoye no kokom
se nya sempa no mudi one say when it come to marriage eba to say Islam woman no omo won hihye bi a kire se be ma ntimi ware bebrebe no
the fact say obetimi ahwe eye wo mo
eno kra nkire se eye sebi right but omo hihye omo di so enya mnimie ebetumi
asesa ndi no kra
but se ba eye to say ye normal Africans ye account for ni we ni mu bia ye jitu mu se aware no eye ba akopɛ na uware so na ware wo court bia court na ware ye wo mutu customary and na ordinance
ordinance there no worry bia wo sign wo court I want me worry bi
Correct.
for better for worse customary no na che say no flexible kakra say wo worry a wutimi ko wa be no kra e say wo sign a
O sign wo mu a no de wuntimi san worry bi.
nti customary ko mo sign but no certificate ni che say you have access to another woman enti say see am once your valid in the wedding pictures now what they chile ya ni che say your ordinance strictly
abusuafo nyina wo mu o de na babonti
ordinance enti no e ba ne sa na wuntumi nsa nkon wari enko wari biem enti ni obeya ni se won se no kwadi ni wo enti ebe ti se ne a obetimi aforge ni dinfo frost kwara ti se o wari da na ne wakoye won chen na oba ni so ye involve ni so no ida se woni odi abro ana se woni ebi mu enya we omo ye so innocent say be man ni betumi be man ebi no obetimi adada wa sister nyami suru penema eniye bi wo wa ipa da se ni ntumi enye ti bi dia ba enye asem papa na yo mudi yes uye ni ya kwani mu ba se enti onimu se enye nokure no odi ama ye wo ba na wo ne ten wo enye atenka ma no wo enye ache se mu fama tu mu chema na odi ne selfish bi dia ba embema bebre selfishness selfishness na mami buso aya na wo mu yesa na yo mu ko butu o mu wari o mu je kantam sure for better for worse ni san yo mana o mu di wana bro no mu bi o ma sa kodo ba fufure ni mbema I wonder the way your sister no sister I tell you
get me show what
sister me why research me do battery at a time but yeah show oba do be ma we ya bibie no e be kire say obedo a different person so wa observe say be to be done ba be 5 odu wa wodo odu nipa we so awodo no odu bia ye we ya wodo
adani ko say so mu nye stable e ba no say wo mu choose a
wo mu ye confused so no credit few of them was sister few of them
to was ye beba
they don't hear boa everyone so say wo mu dream rightfully because untimi nkofo obi ba embe tete untimi nkofo obi ba embe bude ni muti
eti ubu ni say ye ma me blessing to na mo call wedding na say ekoko say no ko show evidence just one name Papa Anthony aware for 17 good years na ne kwan so anu ana
you mean you ba wakoma or a brave person or a brave person and you obi an obetumi etu sana even though say only say right say otimi claiming what belongs to her. Anyway, me need too much of their communication. So one but from the point of view and answer report, no, what you say from beginning, the lady is against it. But when you say Obano Taremukeke, a do a biana warrior swallow, Betty Aquaco warine dear. But when you say come to this kind of extent, at the end, I mean, cousin your year, no, a year. Because ni awo ye na be man na start here before we worry be make sure say wo ban na won na tin wa nya na won ti ase say mama wa kwanya ma brewo obedo me be ma kwanya say kona ko worry say wa bre no enye say free ni mu wa bre no e na wo hu say so or take care of ni mu and say so di be man na chi na bi a wo wu ana say na bra bon no ebo atisa enti no sa no brain sa no timi ma wakonya say ma brewo but mo dia na kona kwaye nya wo pese because wo say ade bra ma ni take ya sorry enti otimi ma ne sa akonya no ba say wa ma na akonya na I believe in say whatever belongs to you or whatever you want you protect it
okay
who protect it ade a wo pe yes baby what the power na one akoma yende enti brother me ka say what she did was wrong because oba yes na che say wo pe be ma no or yes na che some person be lose be ma no or yes na no bia wo hu ahead say e bi obey a wo kwa ko ware ni e dey how be pray be dey e be ba enti no na we take that bold decision aye no betumi aye pia say na e be ya aware ni tumi emba so ba say dey city e biara no aware mienu no bebre be ma say to yenko survey amu be ka say ye obe ka say 3 obe ka say say one more advice due to selfishness.
Okay. Baba Mercy, we dey yemre no ekopa.
Na ye shi kwa mama fa.
O dey so fa. O want to fa na o dey account no breko. Futu a wo dey ma eya awarefo ni na so wo dey o person fa
dey make sure she keke. Ye shi kwa wo mu ni say ye ntimi dey aduane back forever. Na wo ba de o timi dey aduane back forever. Na ni na mu no etiefuo. We have one life to live. We are seeing a song. There's one she nya dia ubekom na containing wo. Esan say abrabo bi wo a wo kwa na ye wan kasa wo selfishness. Wo selfish game pa na wo de ye. Na mu enye ebia otabi anim a wo kongina ye. Enye nyamsuro bi na wo de atoto. Enye nyame asem na wo de atoto na mu a man's way lead to distraction. Nipa akwan e de yakọ eye o seye mu. Ubetima go brave bia wo pe wo akwanya no. Nyame de akwanya na ma. Say you have your will, but let me tell you, at the end, you know, there is judgment. We live for once, and after our life on this earth, after whatever we did, you know, can you say then na wunya emba 5 na bu wo kwasia. Watching a bino enkwan enya wo dia nyame to mo safre wa ubebu mo akonte na you record for everything you did, and believe me share into so crowd abu mo akonta we as na yet no we account for everything. Ti nyame kan say yenya hweye ye wade ni na nkwan then so nye ni na efata ye enti even though so wade ni na nkwan wo ye ade a ya hweye embu nyonko kwase a isa say obu ni kwase a ye den ya one day you account for everything.
I was here for said Miss Messical, Edinensem atu eja eno. Na aha ena ebrebe ma ekwan ma ye dwumedie no ese so storytelling on so when ya like your videos na share follow yen your IG page your Twitter page so @tuma_gh_ Facebook and so @tuma_gh. Epis kapa enemy aha enam dimo esi dasene ye besane share.